Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kajal Talk, and I am Kajal. Today I'll be creating a Sangeet look which I am going to attend now. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So I'm starting off by shaving my face. So I'm using this razor. I have a full video on how to shave your face easily and in a safe manner. So please go and check out that video as well. So let's start shaving. You will always have to hold the razor in a 45-degree angle and in small strokes just slide down to your face. Shaving the face removes the piss that you have on the sides and the forehead, and it gives a much clearer and smoother skin, and also it allows smooth application of the makeup. So I normally remove the excess hair from my face before the application of makeup. Careful near your forehead area because you don't want to chop off your eyebrows and be in a worse situation. So be little slow and always remember to use small strokes in a slanting manner. The next step is to clean your face, and I will be using the Biotic face wash and followed by Pond's White Beauty Scrub. So yes, I've already used so much. So let's go and wash our face now. Once my face is clean, I will be moisturizing my face because I have dry skin. So I'm using the Mamaearth Overnight Repair Cream. This is the one I'm currently using, and you might have seen in a couple of my videos that I'm using this night cream. So this is really good with collagen, saffron and daisy flower, and it's for brightening and firming night cream. So do let me know if you want to review this product, if you want me to review this product. So I will start by applying this. So I'll take ample amount of quantity like so and start applying to my clean face. After moisturizing my face very well, it's time to moisturize my lips as well. For that I'm using the Sun Protect Orange from Himalayas and prepping my skin as well before the makeup. Since it is a night event, so I'm going for a little dewy and glowy look. So I'm using this primer from White and Wild. It's a primer for dewy look. So I'll take a little quantity and start applying. I'm taking a small quantity of the primer like so, and I'll start applying. Primer, what it basically do is it helps to prep up your skin and close all the pores, large open pores on the face, and it gives a very good base for the makeup. So let's start applying. I'm doing all over my face today. Time for the foundation. So I'm using this CC cream from Lakme 9 to 5 range, and it's a natural beige in shade. So I'm applying. So I'm taking the desired quantity like so and start applying on my face after the primer. I'll apply first in a dotted motion and then blend it all over my face. Don't forget your neck area because you don't want to look in two different colors. And start applying. So it gives a sheer coverage and a good base. So I don't want a high coverage as of now. So I am applying this on my skin. After the foundation is blended well, I'm using the concealer from Wet n Wild range. It's in medium shade and trying to cover all the pigmentation that I have on my face, that is on my eye area. I'm making a V under my eyes, as you can see. Also, I'm planning to do little heavy eye makeup, so I want a good coverage there as well, and also the mouth area and the forehead area. So I'll start blending now. Now to set my face, I'm using the Maybelline New York Compact Powder and set the makeup that I have done. So I have taken this shade as of now, and I'm trying to give a base to my eyes. So with the help of my fingers, I'm putting the desired amount and blending it onto my eye. Now using this Deep Intense Kohl Eye Kajal from NYB, which I've recently got in green color. So I'm trying to create a wing liner now. So after struggling a lot, this is what I managed to do. It was really difficult to get these eyeliners alive. And what I'm planning to do, I'll just give a greenish thing on top of this. So next I'm using the blush from Maybelline Dream Blush. It's in coral shade, and applying onto my cheeks. Will be taking the highlighter, Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder from Wet n Wild, and apply to my cheeks. Nose, pupil bow area, chin area, and to my forehead. So now I will apply the lipstick from Lakme 9 to 5 range, this shade, orange shade, which is the color of my outfit. To end all this, I'm using the makeup fixer from Wet n Wild and allow it to dry. Now I'm using the mascara from Elizabeth Arden New York Lasting Impression Mascara. This is from US, which one of my relative got from me. So I'm applying this mascara today. So done with mascara. Now I'll define my eyebrows with the Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. I just dark brown in shade and shape my eyebrows, filling in any gaps that are there in my eyebrows and shaping it. So with this, I have completed my Sangeet makeup look. This is how it looks. It's dewy and glamorous. So now I'll be changing into my outfit and show you the final look. So keep on watching.